A young music producer and music prodigy made his way to the Bronx to teach a few students how to compose a song of their own. Miles Bonham, widely known as Miles the Music Kid, hosted workshops at PS 130 and PS 304 through a nonprofit Education Through Music. The nonprofit focuses on bringing music programs directly into public schools where arts programming is limited or sometimes non-existent. The 9-year-old taught kids his own age and even donated 500 ukuleles through the Guitar Music Foundation and his music label, Republic Records.
I'm so lucky that I have instruments around my house and I can just go to them, but some people don't have that, but they still love music. So it's just really happy knowing that we're giving people all these ukuleles so that they can have something to go to when they feel like, ooh, I want to make some music.
What a remarkable kid. Miles even showed students how he created his new song, Thought I Was Better Without You.